Good morning, friend. I hope everything fine. First of all, I would like to thank to all of you for watching my videos. Yesterday, we learned first 5 characters of hiragana. I hope you watched and revised. And today, we will learn next 5 hiragana. That is, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. So without wasting our time, let's start. Ka. Repeat 5 times. Ka, 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 ka. Nice. Sound kasa, meaning umbrella. Another, kao, meaning face. Now move to second word, that is ki. Repeat 5 times. Ki, 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 ki. Very good. Now check sound. Ki. Ki meaning tree. Another sound, kipa, meaning north. Next word is ku. Repeat 5 times. Ku, 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 ku. Good, guys. You are doing well. Now let's check sounds. Kuruma, meaning car. Kuchi, meaning mouth. Next word is ke. Again, repeat 5 times. Ke, 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 ke. Great, like ke in kettle. Now check sound kesa, meaning this morning. Another word, kemuri, meaning smoke. Move to next word, ko. Repeat 5 times. Ko, 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 ko. Like coffee. Now check sound koe, meaning voice. Kodomo, meaning child. Friends, we completed today's lesson again. I hope you learned something new today. Task is below words. You have to answer these words. Ka, ki. Ku, ke. Ko, i. Ki, ku. Ka, o. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Friends, first we will learn sounds. After that, we will learn how to write hiragana letters. See you tomorrow with another chapter. Stay tuned. Bye. Quick review. So far, a, I, u, e, o. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Friends, practice makes a man perfect. You to please write all characters at least 5 times first. We will learn sounds. After that, we will learn how to write hiragana letters. See you tomorrow with another chapter. Stay tuned.